This is the official loudest Rockford in 45 years. Is the loudest.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
The floor was, we raised the floor 10 inches and made it flush all the way to the back. And then we put a steel cage in here. And then this is actually concrete filled. So there's 1,800 pounds of concrete in that floor alone.
Wow. That keeps it from moving, obviously. For every 10th counts. Wow. That's wild. Did you do all of this, or you had a team help you with it?
Yeah, I got a fab guy. He wanted some speakers, and some audio, so we just did some horse trading, labor for labor.
There you go.
I love it. No, you know what? I love that.
Yeah. He was here. We had everybody here. Everybody that helped me here and there. They came out yesterday and helped get that number.
Can I open this real quick?
Yeah.
So literally was
It's fascinating.
Not to mention the front port was too small and was going in, and practically you couldn't get your finger between the port and the sub.
And that's sealed perfectly. You actually bolted in?
Yeah, so that just hinges up there. Goes up there, bolts in.
Wow. It's like a tank.
Yeah.
Is it louder sealed than with that open whenever you compete?
So once you start getting to that 70, I just hit 70. There's no more gain having it open.
Okay.
I gain by closing it.
That's crazy.
And I can show you the other side.
Yeah. How much weight roughly have you estimated this truck weighs now?
So when we measured it, it was 10,250.
Wow. Okay.
And then in here you have a steel plate going all the way across behind that wood. So.
Man. I saw this thing last year or a year and a half ago, and it was like completely different.
Yeah.
Wow, you've been doing a lot of work. Okay. Is that subwoofer on the floor the same as the ones in the car, or is that a different vehicle?
It's the same motor, same woofer, but the that's actually a 16. I have a 13.
13s, yeah. That's crazy. You don't even have a lot of cone area. I mean, you have cone area, but not a lot compared to the. Wow. So these are. Okay. So what am I looking at?
So there's 12 2500s, BDC 2500 CPs, constant power, and they're strapped together. So this is goes to one woofer, and each one goes to woofer.
Okay. So they're strapped together.
So that makes it. I mean, if you look at the face value, it's like 5,000 watts at 2 ohms stable. I have gotten a lot more out of them. I've gotten nearly 8, 9 out of them.
Have you done any coil changes to see the difference on the impedances to fight rise, or?
Yeah. So we went from 2s. We went down to we dumped them down to a 1 ohm load, and then we have at rise it's 1.8.
So you're rising a lot still. Okay.
Yeah. So 1 to 1.8.
Okay.
And if you see we have little futures.
Yeah.
And maybe some more amps coming in. So.
Where's the battery? All the battery bank?
So the battery's behind that. Yeah.
So you have to get all of that out to get to the batteries, or?
So you just take these. We have these plates here. You just unscrew those. We did that so I can slide them out,
put them
in.
Yeah.
And then once you get that out, you take this plate. Right now, you got to take this plate out to get to it. Next version, I'm actually going to trim that out behind it, and then you'll be able just to go straight in to get to the battery.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay. Close your doors.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
And then you see the old school down there.
Yeah. That's the 16.
Yeah, that's actually the one that Delilah or Carlos Rodriguez did with the single subtesting.
Yeah,
that's the one he did there. Did the 177 on.
That's
30,000
crazy.
watts.
So what exact subs are these and the RMS on them?
So these are the T213s. RMS is 2,000 watts. But
that's it. Wow. Okay. Well, rated arm though.
Rated RMS,
yeah.
But yeah, I've put nearly 8,000 on them.
Wow. That's great. And what was the best SPL score you got out of this?
174.8.
What is your goal?
80.
180?
Yeah, I think that's the best I'm going to get.
Yeah.
In this cabin. Until we go to a van, then.
What is the sealed section size you're using, or the ratio roughly?
I don't know what the ratio is, but each individual chamber is 1.4.
Okay.
Right now they're box chambers. We're gonna go from to cylinder chambers.
Okay.
This one.
Awesome, man. Wow. It's probably the loudest in the world Rockford Fosgate system, or is there somebody close to you?
No, it is. The loudest it was one back 20 years ago. It was 173.7.
Yeah.
So this is the official loudest Rockford in 45 years. How much? 45 years.
Wow.
45 years is the loudest.
Congrats, man. You actually have this you can play with.
Yeah, I can play music. Yeah.
So that's portable. Are you able to bring it all the way over there?
Yeah, I can bring it all the way to the front door.
Oh, wow. You don't have to show me. I was just curious. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Nice. Oh, man. How high are you able to play on the higher frequency with the door open?
I go up to 71.
We should
Really?
do a raffle where you guess the frequency.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? It echoes.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Something I'm looking to have done. I'm looking to have my Tahoe, my box redone next year. So my box that was built for that, the design was for 618s and a 4-door. Well, first time out with that was not this Liberty base, but the other Liberty base. First time out with it, couldn't afford a sheet of paper. So the NSV 6 is, I think it's in 7 cubes. So with 3 of them, and then at the bottom part of the chamber was
Wow.
suction box. Three.
Wow. Sorry.
Good then?
I'm gonna hear it, yeah.
You gonna play a song?
Something else a little higher. Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Wow, what frequency is that? That's like 28, 30?
28 hertz.
Wow.
Yeah.
That felt more like in the 40, 42 hertz or so?
45.
45? Oh, closer, a little closer, yeah. Wow. Appreciate it, man. So it's got good bandwidth, but with that door shut, you have a perfect loading response. Nice. I appreciate you showing me, man. That's crazy.
I'm glad you came
Thank
over here. I'm
Yes, sir.
excited.
That's awesome,
All the
man.
subs are working.
Yeah, no issues. Man, and nothing moves. Like,
it's so solid.
yeah, the only thing moving is the subs and me. All right, you have a good day, man. Your name again?
Mike.
Mike, JacobViral. Appreciate him. Thank you, Mike. Awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop